Feel quite nice out there. In fact, today will be a little bit warmer than yesterday, up to 78. Very beautiful. Again, it is starting out below normal, but we'll end up above the normal high of 75. And the record high in this date, 93 back in 1898. We got some hot weather heading our way this weekend. We could break a couple of record highs. It makes you wonder, have we ever seen such heat in September? Well, we have. In fact, it was worse in 1939. We had 5 days in a row when it was in the 90s. And almost hitting 100 degrees on September 10th back in 1939. 1931 was also a warm September. We had 4 days in a row where it hit the 90s. This year we could have 3 days in a row that hit the 90s, but not today. No, we've got sunny skies out there, not much in the way of cloud cover. Same thing tomorrow. There might be a couple of little hazy high clouds moving through the sky. That's about it. Now, a weak cold front is going to try to move down into the area Friday night into Saturday morning. Now, as it does move down, it'll produce a few clouds, but that front is likely going to be dissipating as it does move into our area. So the odds of precipitation are pretty low, but with that front, maybe into Saturday morning, there could be a little isolated shower or storm that pops up. But again, the odds are pretty low. Otherwise, Saturday is going to be warming up quite a bit, getting close to 90. Then I think we're definitely going to be in the 90s for Sunday and Monday. It still looks like some record heat that you want to prepare for. 78 for today. Prepare for a lot of blue skies out there. A little south-southeast wind tonight down to 54. So not quite as cool as the last couple of nights, but very comfortable. You can open up the windows in the house and let the cool air in before it warms up on Friday. It'll be a breezy day too, a south-southwest wind at 10 to 20 miles per hour. So mid-80s on Friday, tomorrow, and then on Saturday all the way up close to 90 and maybe a little bit humid as well. There's that very slight chance we might see a storm Friday night or into Saturday morning, but for the most part, most areas are going to be dry. It'll be dry and hot on Sunday and Monday. Both of these days we could break a record high, and we might even break a record high on Tuesday. It'll be turning more humid, and that's finally when we'll have a chance for a little bit of rain late Tuesday into Wednesday of next week. At least a 30% chance, but into the middle of September, it still looks pretty warm. Temperatures above normal for most of the country.